Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CIRC. We will take a look at the daily time frame. We've done this one a couple times before, but I want to get it updated here. I had a bunch of questions coming on it today. So what we're looking at here is the daily chart, and a couple things I want to point out revolve around the support levels. There's three key levels of support that I see right now, and I want to map those out. The first one being this purple line right here. This is the 50-day simple moving average, so a very important moving average, and you can see that the price literally closed basically right on top of it. So intraday the price obviously dropped below it, as you can see there, but then by the time the closing bell rolled around, the bulls were able to push it back up right above there. So that's good to see that this still is holding as support. The next level of support comes from basically where the bounce was today, and I'm going to show you exactly where that comes from. So let's first change this to green to represent support, and then we can go map out where it comes from. So if we look back here through the history, you can see multiple times the price is bouncing right over this area. Here it didn't quite hit it, but close enough, and you can see that a few days it bounced right off of that 0014 area, and I'm not sure what today's low was. 0014. So the power of charts right here. Looking at this support, did a great job of forecasting where this level of support would be, and again that just comes from, you can see here multiple times the price bounced right off that area. So this is another area of support, and if this one doesn't hold, this one's pretty important, because if it does not hold, then the next area of support is not until down here at this yellow line, which is a 200-day simple moving average. You can see last time the price visited this area, did a great job of holding before making a great bounce. But obviously nobody wants to see it drop all the way back down there again. But like I said, if 0014 does not hold, then this is going to be the next area of support. Now resistance wise, the one that sticks out to me right now is right here at 0025. Change that to red to represent resistance, and then we'll show where that comes from. So again, going back into the price history, you can see here has some history of knocking down the price. Here, although didn't quite hit it, pretty close, knocking down the price. And then on this day when it did break above it, you can see the nice pop that did happen. And now that the price dropped back below it, you can see recently 2 more days tried to get above it and could not. So 0025 is the current level of resistance, and then after that the next one's going to be right around the, we'll call it between 0029 and this high, which is at 0031. So that'll be another area of resistance on any sort of bounce. So that's where the chart currently stands. Great job of holding above this support level here. If it doesn't hold though, you do have 0014 right below it. That has held multiple times in the past, so we'll see what happens. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for the newsletter up there, and when you do that, as you see, you will get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it as a trader, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down below the social media. Over 8.5 hours of video education. So I'd encourage you to check it out, read over the third-party reviews, and give it a try. One more time, this was CIRC. Thanks for listening.